My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing you another sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. So, happy almost New Year. It is New Year's Eve. It's December 31st, 2024. I hope everybody had a wonderful, blessed 2024. I'm pretty sure everybody had their ups and downs, their trials and tribulations, but I hope that you was able to pull through, and I hope that your 2025 is even better. Yeah, this is the last video of 2024 for me. Last sneaker review of 2024, last video period before we start 2025 tomorrow. I'm proud of myself because I do keep track of all my sneaker pickups throughout the months, the days, and at the end of the year I do a total. And my total last year was like 18,000 within the year, which is very, very low than what it used to be. Like, I used to be like, I know once, I think like 3 years ago, I had a total that was like 32,000 whatever for the year. So, which is ridiculous or whatever like that. Since I only got 2 feet and I don't, you know what I mean? But this year, my total was only 8,000. So I literally cut my spending in half when it came to shoes. And not only that, was not only 2 times in the whole year of 12 months, only 2 months out of 12 months, I went over 1,000. And 2 months out of 12 months, I didn't spend no money. January, the first month of the year, I didn't spend nothing. I think like May, something like that, I didn't buy a single shoe. So very proud of myself. Got to start somewhere. But yeah, I don't want to really talk too much about y'all. Got an early review for y'all. This shoe comes out next Saturday, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm on my way to the spot right now to get it. And this will be up December 31st. So like I said, this will be your last video you see of me, depending on what. I just hate traffic cars. I just want to be rushing. Go. Since you want to rush. Just cars just don't want to be rushing and everything like that. Anyway, this will be my last video, sneaker review y'all see of me of 2024. So on to bigger and better things. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Gonna give y'all this review of this shoe, and I'll be right back. Okay. You see the black Jordan box, Jumpman in the center. Nothing special about this. Let's flip this over. Got the cement bottom right there. Reads Air Jordan 3 Retro Black Dark Charcoal White. I think that's the color. Size 9, personal pair. No reseller here. This is my size. I go up a half size in the Air Jordan 3s and 4s. Regular tissue paper. Nothing spectacular. And let's get these shoes out so you can get a good view of these. All right, we'll put this back in here. All right, let's put this top on. Give me 1 second. Put this top back on. Boom. All right, set this up. 1 and 2. And without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 3 Black Cat. Boom. Okay, we got the Air Jordan 3 Black Cat. So right off back, you see that suede or nubuck. I think it's suede. You see that? See the ashiness right there. See the cracks right there in the back. Air and the Jumpman on the back of the pull tab. I don't like this little shiny midsole. I don't like that. But underneath, you got the white Jordan white letters, black outer sole. Coming back, it just looks cheap. I'm not gonna lie, but we get back to that. It is shiny though. It is shiny. See the laces right there. I do like these laces. I like that. A little black with the crack or the white all in it. I like that. Metallic Jumpman on the tongue. Yeah, black on the insole. Not really special. I mean, it's an all black shoe, of course. That's what I call the Black Cats. On all sides, midsole. You see, flip this over. Once again, said all black, all black. Other shoe is the exact same, nothing special. No extra laces with these. All black shoe. That shine off that is, I think it's supposed to be patent leather. I want to say patent leather, but it looks so cheap. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It even feels cheap. This just feels cheap. I don't know. I don't know what to tell y'all, but I mean, if y'all like it, I love it. I know y'all kind of hyped about it. This was supposed to come out a while back, and it got pushed back. So, what y'all think about it? Let me know. I do like the back. Let me know in the comments below if this is a copper drop for y'all. I'm on the fence about it, but yeah, be back. Oh my God, I forgot. This was what popped in my mind. When I look at this shoe, you know what it reminds me of? Hold on, let me put this down. Let me move this. You know what this shoe reminds me of? Hold up. These. The Spizikes. These look exactly like the all black Spizikes. So I don't even know. I just don't know what the brand or the number of the Spizikes. I never bought a Spizike a day in my life. And I won't start today. So yeah, listen, man. If you want to save some money, the Spizike I think is like $160. You want to save $40 with the tax and everything? Go get some Spizikes. Okay, home. Got Chewy right there. Look at him looking at me like, what are you doing? Chewy? He got his bone. Anyway, back home. Hope y'all enjoyed that little early review of the Air Jordan 3 Black Cast. I was about to say Black Cement, but Black Cast. What y'all think about it? What y'all think? I do got some information for y'all off of nicekicks.com. Shout out to nicekicks.com. It'll be up right next to me. 3, 2, 1. Now it should be up right now. You can read along with me. It reads. Jordan Brand is going into the vault and bringing a beloved Air Jordan 3 with news of the Air Jordan 3 Black Cat returning in early 2025. Originally released in 2007, the Air Jordan 3 Black Cat and the re-owned Air Jordan 4 Black Cat drew inspiration from the Michael Jordan's nickname. From his cat-like reflexes to his stealthy play style, the Black Cat nickname and colorways go hand in hand with the Air Jordan legacy. I didn't even know that was Michael Jordan's nickname. I'm not even gonna lie, Black Cat. Didn't even know that. But the Air Jordan 3 Black Cat will return in its signature all-black look with its premium suede, I knew it was suede, construction. Expect the Air Jordan 3 Black Cat to release for $200 on January 11, 2025 via sneakers and selected retailers. There was some more pictures if y'all want to see that. Show you that right there. And boom, that's pretty much it. All right. So, like I showed y'all at the end of the review, when I pulled out a Spizike, the all black Spizike, am I going to cop it? Probably. I'm trying to stay away from shoes that I know I don't need. But these one of them shoes where I feel like it might be worth something later. And I know I say personal pay, no reseller here. But I can see myself wearing it for like a formal event. It's an all black shoe. I currently have no all black shoes. Like I have black shoes, but no all black shoes. So could I see myself having it? Because I don't have the Black Cat 4s. I did have Black Cat 4s, but I got rid of them a long time ago. Can I see myself getting them? Possibly. Do I think it's a super need? No. Do I think they're going to sit? Maybe. But all black shoes, like the Black Cat 4s, the Black Cat, 13s? No, the 11s. I'm sorry. The cap and gowns. For some reason, because they go with everything. They don't really sit. So, y'all let me know what y'all think about the Air Jordan 3 Black Cat as a copper drop for y'all. I'm on the fence about it. Not 50-50, though. I'm more like 70-40, like leaning towards not getting them. So I don't know. We'll see. That if I do get them, that'll be my first pickup of January. So yeah, it is. That'd be my first pickup of. Even though this is my last video of 2024, this will be my first pickup of 2025, if that makes sense. So like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Oh, and Chewy. Oh, Chewy. You know what to do, man. Have a nice day.